Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to make bell pepper egg. So for that you need bell pepper. In other words, it's called capsicum, and you're gonna need an egg obviously. And I'm gonna use little bit of chopped carrot and onion for garnishing, and a little bit of salt, pinch of salt, and little bit of black pepper for the flavor. And you're gonna first have to cut the capsicum into rings. So I have already done that to save time. Here, like this. And you're gonna need to grease the pan with some butter or oil, ghee, anything like that, so to cook it smoothly. And I have already cracked an egg in the cup. I'm going to add a little bit of carrot chopped in it, and a little bit of onion chopped in it, and a little bit of salt. Pepper we will top it off at the end. Okay, so let's cook. So I have already poured the butter into the pan. Now you have to mix this egg thoroughly. Yeah, it's mixed good. You have to place the capsicum rings into the pan. So I'm going to mix that butter and coat the surface of this capsicum ring with the butter, so it cooks evenly on every side. Is Yeah, it's done. Now I'm going to pour the solution onto the ring, but before that I wanna flame it up, flame on, but in a low heat. And I am pouring this egg mixture into that hole. Yes. It's gonna take some time. So after a couple of eggs cracked and trial and error, this is the best way to do this. After putting the capsicum ring into the pot, you have to pour the solution egg mixture slowly into the center of the ring, so it can cook slowly. If you pour it all at once, it's gonna leak out of that and cause a mess. I learned it the hard way. So keep the flame very low and pour little bit of egg. Once the egg makes a good foundation beneath the ring, capsicum ring, you can cook it. It already started leaking little bit, but it's okay, it's contained. So here is the finished product. I have to be honest, I did messed up at first. That's why this one look little janky, but it looks complete actually. And I'm getting the hang of it now, but this looks good for the first time. So let's taste it. And I take the small one because I need to take some thumbnails. I don't know if I should be eating it like this or just picking it in my hand, but I'm just going. Tasty. I had put some black pepper on top of it. You can make this with any type of bell pepper, like there is a yellow color bell pepper, white color bell pepper, red color. You can use any kind of, it would be looking very beautiful once you made it like this. And you can make this as a breakfast, brunch, lunch, or just light snack. So if you like such contents, please subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching. See you another video. Bye.